Way back, can we remember how to do it? Yeah, we split it up. So the whole idea behind this is going back to our ax plus b. If we have something like ax plus b, if we have something like this, it won't be, let's say, minus b. This would be easy to integrate. Why would this be easy to integrate? Yeah, because you just use ln. And then, because this is like we did yesterday, and it'd be 1 over a ln. Okay, so we have them as partial fractions, easy to integrate. If we have them as a quadratic and something on top, not easy to integrate. So that means we have to remember how to get it into two partial fractions. And that comes from, what would be our first step? Yeah, so factorize the quadratic is a good first step. So what would be the quadratic factorize? So if I just have 2x squared minus x minus 1, how do I factorize that? 2x and x anyway, multiply to give it 2x squared. I know it has to be 1 times 1 to give the 1 here at the end. Minus 1 here and plus 1 here, yes, because that would make the minus x in the middle. All right, so let's separate into partial fractions then. What was this thing? 7x minus 1 is the numerator. 2x squared minus x minus 1 is the denominator. We want to separate it into partial fractions. So this is one fraction, let's say, and this is the other fraction denominator. Is that it? What did I do then? No, I want to separate it, so then if we were to multiply it back together, we would get this, not add it back together, we get this by using a common denominator. Yeah, so I could say that this is A and this is B, this is some number. And now I know that when I add these together, if I went to add them and get a common denominator of this, it would be, as you said, you can multiply them together, x minus 1. So this would be getting multiplied by x minus 1. And this get multiplied by 2x plus 1. Now what we're doing here is just adding fractions. Yeah? So it's a over 4 plus b over 3 is equal to 7 over 12 kind of thing. And you go, okay, 3 times a plus 4 times b is over 12 is equal to 7. And then you're trying to find what a and b is. That's what we're doing. Okay. Now one thing I do know is that the left-hand side here has to equal the right-hand side over there. And I definitely know that the denominators equal each other, don't they? Because I made them. One is the factored form, that this is the 4 times 3 and this is the 12, which means the numerators have to equal each other then as well. So just sticking with the numerators over here, I'm going to multiply out that 2bx plus b. Now what do I do?
Take like common terms, so like ax plus 2bx is 7.
Yeah, so the x's must all equate. So 7 has to equal a plus 2b from the x's. There's 7x's, ax's, and 2bx's. They all got to equate. And the minus 1 here, the constants, let's say, have got to also equal each other. And that's your two equations, two unknowns, solved simultaneously. I think the a's cancel here straight away. I have 6 is equal to 3b, so b is equal to 2. And if b is 2, what is a? Yeah. So you can put it into either line and you get a to be 3. Now we haven't actually integrated yet. All we've done is separate into two partial fractions, which is back at this stage. I know what a and b are now, so now I can integrate. So let's get back to integration. Instead of integrating this, which would be really difficult to do, we can now integrate something much easier. So I have a is 3, so that's 3 over 2x plus 1, plus b is 2, so that's 2 over x minus 1. And this is quite simple to integrate because what we did yesterday, we recognized that this would be to the power negative 1, so it would be a natural log, wouldn't it? So what is it? It's got ln anyway, 2x plus 1, and I'm really concerned about what I put in front. I'm happy with 3 over 2. The 3 is here, and the a is 2 in this case. So we divide by
When
a.
you write ln
Mm.
and you do whatever next to it, does it always have to be absolute value, or is that
Yeah.
brackets?
No, that's absolute value. Yeah.
Right.
Because it's only take. Remember we did the slopes and of the 1 over. Okay, and this would then be what? What's a in this case?
It's 2 ln x minus 1.
Yeah, a is 1, so it's just so it's just this 2 carries forward, ln x minus 1 plus c. And that's your answer. Okay, your turn. Few down there. I think definitely the last one's the trickiest from recollection. Ones that are very similar to my one are C, D, and E. If you want to start with that, maybe C, D, and E, and then try F if you get one of those right. I'll pop the answers up in a second. Yeah.
You're gonna walk me through